Pulling up the Iffys fried chicken. That's that slider. I think it's the liftoff. Fresh on lunch break. Just the slider. That joint hefty. It's all right right here. Little bite to it. I'm going messy. Man, look at Iffy's food. Garlic parm wings, fries, lemon pepper. Just them wings and fries. Fries all right. Regular season fries. Lemon pepper wing. Jones is nice. I like these. You never got to dip these joints. Let me try the garlic parm. They good too. Okay, Iffy. These wings are saying something. Everything good. The wings, I'll give them an 8.5. That sandwich, it's good. I get that sandwich like a 9. That joint is sloppy though. Lemonade 10 all day. This orange lemonade real good. Tastes like high C with lemonade.